skaters, today we are going to be learning a little bit of simple choreography. Now these pieces of footwork are things that I did in my very first skating program. A couple of weeks ago I posted a video of my first competition from back in the mid-90s, and we watched that together, and I promised I was going to learn that choreography and teach it all to you. So today we are going to be doing a couple different pieces of footwork that I did in that program. So you can learn those, make sure they're strong, and when we learn the complete program, you already have those, you can just pop them in. Now these might be really easy for some of you, and they might be a challenge for others. Just wherever you're at, this is what we're gonna do in that program. The first two use 3 turns, and the last one uses a mohawk. So you wanna make sure you have your outside 3 turns and your mohawks first. If you haven't learned those yet, I'll post links down below so you can practice those 3 turns and mohawks and then come back to this tutorial. So this first one is called a Waltz Three. It's something some of you might have already learned, but if it's new, awesome. Okay, we're gonna be doing this on our left foot with a left forward outside 3 turn. That's the way I did it in the program, so that's the way we're doing it today. Okay, so the first thing we do is that 3 turn. Now I'm gonna shift my weight onto my right foot on my back outside edge and give myself a push, okay? So the Waltz Three is really kind of 2 motions. You have a 3 turn and a backward push. And then we just combine them together into a nice circular pattern. Okay, so we can check on the first one for now. Check. Switch your weight to your right, do a half swizzle and lift that leg. Okay, so a half swizzle is like a pumping motion. So you're taking your left foot, you're doing a pump, and then that left foot is lifting up. Okay, so you're getting a push and a lift kind of in one smooth motion. Push, lift, okay? So that's the second half. The first half is a 3 turn. The second half is that push and lift. So we're gonna go 3 turn, push and lift. And that is basically a Waltz Three. Then we connect them together and it looks like you're dancing. Let's do a couple of them in a row. 3 turn, push and lift. Now you're gonna open your body up, step around, and do another 3 turn. Push and lift. Open your body up, step around, 3 turn, push and lift. Open up, 3 turn, push and lift. So let's add the artistry that we're gonna be using for that program. So in the program, we're gonna be doing 2 of these Waltz Threes, just 2. So our arms are gonna be up and over with the left and a reach with the right. When you reach, I want you to reach all the way from the center of your spine right out through your fingertips. It's giving yourself a really long look, okay? We're going up with the arm all the way from your spine and then out with that hand from your spine all the way through your fingertips. Okay, so the left hand goes with the left foot on the 3 turn, 3 turn, and the right hand goes with the right foot on the push. Okay, so they go with the arm that's on the arm goes with the leg that's on the ice. Left leg's on the ice, left leg reaches, right leg's on the ice, right arm reaches. So that's the first one. On the second one, we're gonna end with an attitude position. Okay, so instead of our normal reach, we're gonna be doing a backward attitude. All right, so all together, we have a left 3 turn, the left arm, a right push and a right arm, left 3 turn, left arm, push onto the right and do a back attitude. For our second little piece of footwork, we're gonna be doing something called a power 3 turn. So we just did a Waltz 3 turn, now we're gonna do a power 3 turn. It's gonna use that same 3 turn, the left outside, okay? So we're gonna go 3 turn. We're gonna set our feet down in a wide A-frame, okay? And your weight is slightly to the right, okay? So we're on our left, set down, put your weight on the right, but your feet are wide. And then you're gonna shift your weight over and do a crossover towards the left, okay? So the 3 turn happens with the left, the crossover happens with the right, okay? so let's do that. I'm gonna do that towards you so you can see that weight shift. So 3 turn with the left, weight on the right, shift over and cross back towards the left. Okay, 3 turn with the left, lean to the right, shift your weight and cross over that right foot over left. Okay, so you have 2 motions. You have the 3 turn and then you have the shift cross. Okay, it's a 3 turn and a crossover with a little weight shift in between. All right, so let's do this power 3 turn all together again. We go 3 turn, step wide, shift your weight, cross over. 3 turn, lean to the right, shift back to the left, cross over. 3 turn and cross over. For this third and final piece of footwork for today, we are going to be doing a Mohawk sort of chassé combination. I don't know if there's even a name for this, so if any of you have heard of a name for it, please let me know in the comments down below. I've always known it as a Mohawk slidey thing. All right, so that's what we're calling it. Okay, so what we're going to do is a Mohawk. Okay, and but in between each Mohawk, we're going to slide our foot. Okay, so it's, like I said, Mohawk slidey thing. Okay, so we're going to start on our left foot on our inside edge, step to right inside edge, to our Mohawk. Back to the right, step on the inside edge on the left. Okay, so our left foot is trading between open and closed and open and closed. We're just opening that hip back and forth, and the right foot is staying forward the whole time. Okay, so the left foot has to get crazy. Open, shut, open, shut. Okay, so we're going open, shut, open, shut, open, shut. Okay, so Mohawk, 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 slide. Mohawk, Mohawk, slide. Mohawk, Mohawk, slide. So you have a forward Mohawk and a backward Mohawk and a little slide. Mohawk, Mohawk, slide. Okay, you're gonna just practice that down the ice. You're gonna keep your hands pretty much at your sides while your feet do all the work. Now you have to be able to twist your waist to make this happen. You're going twist and twist, twist and twist, twist and twist. All right, so a recap for this Mohawk slidey thing. It's all done on your inside edges, okay? And we're doing a forward Mohawk and then a backward Mohawk. Slide. Forward Mohawk, backward Mohawk, slide, okay? It's gonna kind of swoop a little bit because it's on those inside edges. So you're gonna swoop in, all right, each curve, and since you're stepping forward on that slide and it's on the inside edge, it's gonna swoop you back. So you're going swoop and curve the other way. Inside edges and inside edge. Okay, so since it's all inside edges, you're gonna find yourself making a little bit of a serpentine pattern as you do the step. All right, skaters, go out and practice those little pieces of footwork because we are going to be learning some choreography coming up here soon, and you want those pieces of footwork ready to pop into that choreography. If you enjoyed this video, please do give us that thumbs up. And as always, I'm looking forward to reading all your comments in the section down below. If you haven't done so yet, then hit that subscribe button and the little notification bell down in the corner so you can see all my videos when they come out. Happy skating, and I'll see you next time.